Kaleida Health is an organization that comprises of 5 main hospitals. We have about 10,000 employees, but we have actually over 16,000 users, which also includes doctors, students, affiliates. Since we're an organization where most of the training is mandatory, you have to make it as pleasant as possible. So we wanted to engage the users a little bit more, just for the fact that we know that users like to compete, and for them to be able to have a goal to acquire something, to get something back. Our badges system at Kaleida, we implemented it when we started doing the Leading with Care series and the Own It series, which is something that we build to engage the users even more. And this initiative allowed us to work together as a team so we can all work towards the same goal, eventually to provide the best care possible. It is important to allow the staff to develop themselves, as long as they are developing themselves for something that they like. If it is to complete their task better or to be more efficient, it is something that we want.